Potato peels contain an enzyme called catecholase. This enzyme is used in cosmetic products aimed at evening out skin tones. However, while it evens out your skin, this enzyme can also add a little color to your hair. The potato peels won't damage your hair, which can't be said about most of the chemical hair dyes. Coloring your hair with potato peels sounds completely ridiculous, of course, but it works. And it's super easy as well. Follow these steps to get it done. Boil a couple of potatoes for about 20 minutes. Remove the peels from the potatoes and blitz them up in a blender. The peels, not the potatoes. Wash your hair like you normally would and apply the potato peel mush to your hair afterwards. Let the potato peel mush sit and soak for at least 15 minutes and then rinse it out with water. Treat your hair with a hair mask or conditioner to get rid of the potato smell. That's it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.